In today's video, I will walk you through how to use Magic Expand in Canva. Let's get started with your blank canvas already open. The first step is to add the image you want to expand. You can either use photos available in Canva or upload your own image. To upload your image, click on the Uploads tab in the left sidebar, then click on the Upload Files button and select your image from your device. Once the upload is complete, click on the image to add it to your canvas. Next, click on the image on your canvas to make sure it's selected. You'll see a purple outline around the image, which means it's selected and ready to edit. Now go to the top toolbar and click on the Edit Image button. This will open a panel on the left side of your screen. At the top of that panel, you'll see the Magic Studio section, where you can find the Magic Expand option. Keep in mind that Magic Expand is a Pro feature, so you'll need a Pro account to use it. Click on Magic Expand to continue. You'll now see different size options for expanding your image. One option is Freeform, which allows you to adjust the width and height freely by dragging the handles around the image. You can also choose Fill the whole page if you want the image to expand across the entire canvas. In addition to those options, there are several preset size options available that you can choose from, depending on the layout you want. Select the size option that best fits your needs. Once you've made your selection, click on Magic Expand. Canva will then generate 4 different expanded versions of your image. Take a look through the results and choose the one that works best for your design. If you're not satisfied with any of the generated results, click on the Generate New Results button to create another set of 4 options. You can keep repeating this process until you find a result that works for your image. And that's it. You've successfully used Magic Expand in Canva. If you found this video useful, please leave a like. Feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments below.